Active flexibility is your ability to move and stretch your muscles using your own strength without help from others. It means you can control your movement while stretching, like lifting your leg high or reaching your arms without someone pushing you.
Promise girls out! Promise girls out!
And that's the example of active flexibility. Oh yeah. Passive flexibility is your ability to stretch your muscles with help from something or someone. This means your body is being stretched by an outside force, like a partner, gravity, or a tool, instead of using your own strength, like this.
Promise girls out! Promise girls out!
Dynamic flexibility is your ability to stretch your muscles while moving. It means your body stays flexible during action like swinging your arms or legs, not just when staying still. Like this.
Promise girls out!
Ballistic training is a type of exercise that uses fast and explosive movement. It means you move quickly with force, like jumping, throwing, or pushing your body to move as fast as possible, like this.
Promise girls out! Promise girls out!
Active isolated stretching is a type of stretching where you use your own muscles to hold a stretch for a short time, then relax and repeat. It means you stretch one's muscles at a time using your own strength, not help from others. Like this.
What?
Promise girls out! Promise girls out! Promise girls out!
Isometric training is a type of exercise where you tighten your muscles without moving your body. It means you hold a position like a plank or wall sit, while your muscles is stay but work hard. Like this.